I still remember that evening the church was almost empty when I stepped inside. The air carried the familiar scent of old wood polished by years of hands and fine countless smoke drifting into stillness. The kind of quiet that doesn't press on you but welcomes you in. My footsteps echoed softly against the stone floor, and for a moment it felt as though he had walked not just into a building but into a pocket of time that moved slower than the world outside. I wasn't looking for anything initial that night. I chose only to sit, to breathe, to let my thoughts settle into quiet. But my ears die vraaghet sommige before my mind was ready. Ze was seated near the front pave, not in te vrij verstrof, but close enough to see him, as touge ze wanted to benjarer to something greater than herself. Her posture was composite, strijget uit not rigid, and her hands rested lightly on her lap, one him brissing gently over the otter as if keeping herself unsure. I felt see her face and profile at first, the gentle slope of her cheek, the fine curve of lips presit in quiet touget. Her hair, dark with the subtle triads of sulfur, was swept to one side, but a loose strand had fallen across her temple. With the softest motion, ze tikket het back behind her ear, and for so reason, dat smal uitstrek me deeply. It was so iemand, so ordinary, uit some of it revalet more than words called. Tiere was beauty in her, but not the kind that demanded attention. It was al beauty how notice it slowly, terwijl how notice of morning licht moves across a room. Graceful, understated, but impossible to ignore onze ou versienet. I found myself slowing my steps, careful not to disturb her. And uit, even without turning, it felt as if she was aware of me. Not watching, not inviting. Just aware, terwijl ou sense another presence went the world is otter wiesekheid. I slipped into a path further back, but my eyes drifted forward again and again, as touw gepillet by something insane. Her shoulders rose and fell with a quiet breath. The fine rustle of her dress echoed in the silente iachtimes as if it ever so slightly. It was the kind of detail how wildend notice if I weren't paying attention, but I was. Against my own will, I was. Something about her dreef me in, not loudly, not urgently, but with a stillness that felt like a gravity. I didn't know her name. I didn't know her story. But in that moment, sitting there with the glove of gentlest brissing gold along her profile, I realized ze carried something with her. Something inspoken, something weichty, something that set her apart from everyone else I had ever noticed in that plate. Antouge hadn't even spoken a word, ek neef se wild not besommene I felt forget, when the service ended, I stayed seated for a while, letting the last notice of the organ fade into the woorden beams overhead. Most people verlet uitkijklei, uitzangen kajt greetings, their footsteps uitzong toward the Jaffe doors. Uitse reminded, in moving for a moment, her jatsligetly bovet as touge the silence itself held her tere. I rose, trying not to make a sound, but my eyes lingered on her. The light from the candles cast soft shadows across her face, making her look both present and untouchable, like a painting that had come ali for only for this moment. And ze look it up. Our eyes met just for an instant, but it was enough. Ze didn't flinch, didn't turn away, touge tere was a hesitation in her gaze, like ze was deciding whether to let me besien by her. Ten charme as smile find, restrainet, but geneine in a way that strek deeper than 1,000 words. It wasn't a kind of smile people give out of politeness. It was the kind how offer when how acknowledge something quietly, without intending to a recognition. I felt my chest dichten, vaget of gehaard by of something so simple cold hold such weiget. As ze closed her handboek, I noticed terwijl her fingers lingered on its worn letter cover. Ze didn't snap it ze terwijl ottersted. Her hand stayed tere gently resting, as if ze was reluctant to let go of the moment or perhaps of something far older. The sound of her movement was delicate, the fine rustle of fabric as ze stood, the whisper of her shoes against the stone floor. Ze carried herself with poise, uit die veldend help but sense a shadow in her posture. A kind of quiet strength built from something in die rit. I mofet toe warte eisle geving herspase bid as 'n passe te bewere se stoot, oor is touchet achin. Closer nog. Tis mile had vadet, replatet by someting softer, more siarsing. Antauge se syd noting, dat single look seme toespeak, I see hou. Ek knof hou seme toe. My footsteps val toe luid as die walket on, ashung of te wals in awaitat made te selense between is veel almost satret. Outside, te doorsgroan het as otterspis het tem open, spilling find lachter into te nigget eier bid inside, it was just te toe of is moving separatelei in te same spase. I schuld veel te drum of my heartbeat in my chest vaster dan bevore. Not because of aanheiting se had done bid because of everything se had. No words, no gestures, onleite inspoken keren dat passes between two people woes houdend notite iach otter, uit some of doe and as a step it out into te full evening air, I realiseert someting had already begin. Not loudly. Not even clearly. Bid en toe se brief, woordles etchanges, as smile, a glanse, terwijl hand held onto dat hem boek, someting had taken rood in me. Someting I veldend kyte name, bid someting ek kneef I wild karei witte me long after dat nigget, te kaurteiert outside te church was hy sit, lid by a vijfdem lantern swaaing gentlei in te evening brede. Te stone pad glia met feindlei from te dice rein, kareing te fragranse of wet eerte antroses from te garden dat borderet te walkwai. People mofet past in pairs aan smal groups, tyr voices lof aanvading as ty disapparet into te nigget. Se was tere walking just a 5 steps ahead of me. Alone. Haar figure mofet witte aan elegantse dat semet intentional, te kent dat komes not from trying to beseen, bid from simply existing witte kayet grase. I hesitated. My mint argiet witte itself, telling me to liafe, to let herbe. Bid someting stronger ergit me voorwaard. Bevore I veld overdenk het, my foite found te eier. Goed evening is syd softly. Sit er net. Slovely as tougeweiging wetter to respond. Ten se gave as smal not, her lipskerving into te finest smile, polite uit not dismissieve. Goed evening, sê reter net, her voice loof, warm, kareing te softness of somione ease to speaking gentlei. Voor a moment, se lense hing between is. I schuld have walket away. Bitte kindness in haar eis, diep, stiade, antouchet witte someting inspoken, held me tere. Het was op jaffevol servise toonighet, I ventier het. My woordsveld glim sy, toe ordinarij voor te weig het of te moment. Eis, sy repliet, haar gaze drifting brieflei toe waar te church behint is. Piekjevol antiafai in awai. Haar choice of woords linger het witte me. Piekjevol antiafai. Ty fit haar presense perfect lei. Te brede siftet, kareing te fijn fragranse of roses across te kaurteiert. Sy adjusted haar schavel agins te voel haar vingers brissing te fabriek witte a delicateit dat kagit my attention more than its held have. I found myself watching her hands slender, graceful, uitholding te fine tremor of somione kareing more than se letsof. Toe ook voor my here often. I asket, trying not to sound as touge te answer materet more than its held. So met imis, se syd after a pause. Her eis lifted to mine voor just a breate bevore drifting of hy agin, as touge de reed kontheid was to a match to soon. Wen in niet kayet. Kayet. Te woord hing te between is, anti-inderstoot het without nering explanation. Kayet kan men piase. Bid het gaan also men estape. Tesselense stretch het agin, bid het wasn't incomfortable. Het felt charged. Likkete eerst bevore as storm. Sy held a smal klitsje perseloselei at haar side. As sy siftet, te lantern lig het vaget, te simple goldband on haar vinger, a ring dat tot its onstory bevore sy verspoke het aloud. I didn't comment. I didn't need to. Bid I notice terwyl Tim brus het against het, absent mindedlei, as touge het weer a bote a comfort and aweig het. I wanted to ask more. Kluk nog more. Bid someting in haar postiere told me sy wild onleggiffe wat sy was riade toegiffe. So instead, I let the moment remain small. Jest agreting affe words ante fragile triad of chonistiontat was beginning to viave itself between is. Ant as verstoot in tydem sourteiert, ouer words veef ant kareful, ek neeftes was onleid te beginning of a conversationtat wild linger long by ontonig het, te kaurteiert had groeven even keiter, te last of te parisioners gone. Onleid te soft hem of trickets verlet te nigget eier, blending witte te find kriak of te churches woorden doors as te closet behint is. In notiset a woorden benche beniate a lantern, its ligget casting a golden sirsle onto te stone pad. Without thinking to much, I gestuur het towaard het wild oulike toe sit voor a wele. I asket. Voor I hartbeat, se studiet me, her I siarsing, weiging someting I sultant name. Ten wit a slovnot se agreet. We sat side by side, not toe klose, bid klose enouge dat I felt veel her presense more kleerlei tan I felt te voel around is. Ze folded haar hands neatlei in haar lap, haar gaze lifted towaard te dimlei lit crossvisie to te church's outer wal. I didn't risse to speak. Soomhof se lense veld safer dan vulling te witte words. After a wele, se Charlotte softlei, almost as touge se had beenholding haar briate te entiere effening. Haar voice, wen het kame, was kaiet, te kind of kaiet dat draafs hou en bekouse hou don't want to miss as single syllable. My husband se begaan ten pauset. Te weigt in haar tone was indeniable. He said to sit here with me. After evening services. Haar ees didn't liave te cross, but I felt te tremor in haar words. Tiere was no dramatiek gestiere, no tiers onlei as subtle sift in haar voice dat karit adepte no expression geld match. Internet slichtlei towaard haar touge I was karevol no toe intrede on te delicate space se was opening. Im so rei I sait simplei. No more. No les. Se gaf het smalles not, as touge se had jaartose words man uit timis, uit minne reachet her differentlei, not out of detail, bid from some weer dieper. For a few moments, te world seem to stand still. Te find winstere te liafes in te garden, an te stand of rooses drifted between is. Her hand rested liggetlei against te woorden benje, her vingers plaait, as touge reaching for someting absent. Without thinking, my hand sifted, pressing gintlei against hers. Te contact was brief, almost accidental, but het vroze bote of is. Her hand stil het. Mine dit toe. Ant in dat fragile pause, I felt te inspoken tritte, dat even te smalles touchgeld karei moore meaning tan words. Se didn't pull away. Se didn't move closer either. Bitte absense of retreat side enouge. Her eis lover het, antwend sy finale look het at my, tere was a vulnerabiliteit tere dat I hadn't seen before, a window into te kayet sorof se karit, an te strengte het had taken toebring het into te open. In dat moment, I realiseert sy wasn't onlei telling me about los. Sy was sowing met die spase het had left behind as spase dat had never trillei been verlet. Antouge I didn't say it aloud, ek neef, tes was te beginning of someting neiter of is had expected, uitbote of is veld, kaitlei, indenia blij, in tesselense between is, te lantern above is flikker het findlei, as touge te nigget itself was holding its briate. We had sat in selense voor longer dan I realiseert, neiter of is rissing to liafe, neiter of is brave enouge to say wat linger het jest beniate te serfase. Finalei I rose from te bench, moore toe breekte javine staan from an a real desere te go. Se look het ip at me, her expression inredable, am met stiere of composere aan someting softer dat se triet toe hede. Is hult let ou rest, I sait kaitlei. My voite sounded steadier dan I felt. Se stoot as wel gatering her shawl around her shoulders. Voor a moment we simplei vast het one anotter in tedem sorteert, te between is scharget wit het kind of selense dat spiaks louder dan words. Internet sliggetlei preparing to step away. Bid tense move it closer. Not much. Just half a step, enouge to bring haar wit en riach, enouge vorme to feel te warmte of haar presense. My briate valget, touge treat not to solve it. Her ees lifted to mine stiade nov touge sadet with hesitation. Antense lian het in. Ich fällte Brüsse auf haar Schulter against my arm, te soft sweep of haar haircatching und te brede aangrasing my cheek. Haar nearnis maade te word narof intel al I was aware of was haar breed, warm en delikate, as sitteltet jes klose enouge dat haar lips hoever het by my jaar. So metimus, se wesperet, haar voise loof, intimate, tremling witte bote vier aan resolve, te jaar 1000 kare about eiers onlei about tritte. Te woord sank into my likke aflame presit agents paper, kyet, bid impossible toe ignore onze lid. Haar breete lingeret against my skin voor a fraction longer before se dreefbak. Wen I look het at haar fase was schalm, touge haar eis betraait haar, as storm of vulnerabiliteit aan keurage heldig lei toegeter. I stoot frozen, my mintrasing witte wat se had just gefeen me. Not a confession. Not even an invitation. Bid so met een moore dangerous permission. Te gourtijard sie met impossible stil, te ertoeten, as touge te earte itself waited for my response. Bid no woordskame. Not because I had nothing to say, but because nothing I felt sy wild masere ip to wat I felt in dat moment. So I dit te onleiting I felt, I met haar gaze, letting haar shee te tritte in my silence. Te tritte se had already spoken aloud voor bote of is. Voor a moment langer verstootere. Haar hand adjusted te etge of haar sjavel, aan haar vuist moetjon uit haar eis never wafer het from minne. Ik neef se was testing met testing weter I wild retreat, or weter I wild karei te weig het of wat se had just whisper het into te kyk na het. Antouge I finale step het bak, het was een toelia vir haar behind. Het was onlei bekous in de stoot, so met trit is arend ans vir het rig het awai. So me are simple held. Antat nigget, I kariet herswitte me, tat nigget, I vultend sleep. I lie om my bed staring at te seiling, te room bad het in pale silver from te moonlig het slipping trouge te kiertuins. Haar woord skept veertling in my mind, asof te had been etchetere, te jaar 1000 kare about eiers onlei about tritte. I ternet onto my side, presit my palms toegeter, triet to tank of aanheiting else. Bid het was no ise. I felt stil veel te warmte of haar breete against my ear, te fijn brisse of haar schulder against minne. If intusselense dat follow haar whisper replied itself, not empty, but alive, trembling with the all the things we hadn't sight. A part of me wanted to piss it away. To remind myself of the obvious, haar age, haar los, the boundaries verwerend supposed to cross. Uit another part of me, louder and more insistent, argietbak, wys hult so met dat feels deshonest bevrong. I sat ep, ranne hand trouge my haar, frustrated buite waarin sideme. Het was een desire alone, het was so meting dieper, so meting I veltend name bidveld in te center of my chest ever I time I touget of haar. Ant I touget of haar often. So me weer akrostoven, se toe was awake. I didn't see it, bid I veld imagine it as touge I weer tere. Haar hause wild bekijt, te kind of silence dat precies harder at nigget wen no one else is around. Sy sat in haar rocking chair by te window, te moonlig het spilling across te wooden vloer, haar shawl drop het loosely around haar shoulders. In haar hand was a simple goldring. Haar weddingband. Sit er net het slovely between haar vingers, te shoal metal catching te finest glimmer of lig het. Voor eiers, het had been haar aanchoor, are minder of loofe, of los, of fof se had nie verstop het honoring even after die te toek te manse onze kellet haar oven. Bid tonig het, haar tem blinger het of verre different lei. Not in grief, bid in hesitation. As touge se wonder het wetterholding onwaskeping haar from someting se hadden daar to consider until nog. Haar ees lifted toe tiske outside haar window. Te stash weer find, hidden behind at an file of clouds. Se achalet softly, te sandbrioking te silence of haar room. Anten, almost reluctant lei, se set te ring doven on te smalle table besede haar chair. Not troven. Not discarded. Jest plaat het gind lei, as touge acknowlet ging dat weile haar past wild never lia vir haar, it no longer needed to bind haar complete lei. Bak in my room, I close it my ees, haar wysper still burning inside me. Tis terugla hadn't resolve it. It was onlei beginning. Bid beniate te confusion, beniate te hesitation, I recogniseer something I hadn't allowed myself to admit until then. I wanted to see her again, I returned to the church garden of 5 days later, Tauge told myself I was onleitered to clear my Taugets. The dritte of kouse was harder to admit, I hoop het sy wild betere. The late afternoon since triame Trauge te steinet glas windows, casting soft colors across the cobblestone pad. The recess along the garden wall swaaid gintlei in te brede, ty fragrance karang as sweetness dat seemed to soften te at itself. The wordveld sloverhere, keiter, as Tauge it was holding its breedte for something satret. Anten. I saw her. Sy was seated on te same wooden bench beneath the lantern, her posture calm, her shawl drawn lightly around her shoulders. With the stimme, sy wasn't looking doven. Sy was waiting. Her eyes lifted the moment sy sensit me, and in them was no surprise, no hesitation, onleite calm recognition of someone who had already accepted wat sy knie wild kome. I walked toward her, my steps steady Tauge my hartpad in van lei. When I reached her side, sy sifted slightly, leavingspase beside her. I sat, te woord school beneath me, tussen lense between is alieve witte inspoken meaning. For a long moment we didn't speak. The church bell tolled softly in the distance, its edges fading into the evening air. Sy folded her hands in her lap, then slowly, deliberately, let one slip to the side closer to mine. I hesitated, gaget in dat fragile pause weer one choice felt change everything. Then, with a kei breate, I let my hand vind hers. Her fingers let into mine with a gentleness that startled me, as if sy had been waiting for the small uit longer than sy could admit. Her hand was warm, soft, uitsteady, and te weighed of it against my palm sent a salnes Trauge met dat woord stilt never describe. Sy didn't speak. Sy didn't need to. Her silence wasn't distance testime, it was trust. A trust that said, this is enouge, voornof. Tussen dippet lover, lig het filtering Trauge te steinet glas, painting fine blies and reds across her face. Sit net toward meteen, offering a smiletat was different from te find, geaardet one sy had geven me ontat versnig het. Tis one was softer, freer, touched with a vulnerabiliteit dat felt like a gift. And in her eyes, is of something I hadn't expected to find, not the absence of grief, not the erasure of the past, but the kei courage to let something neeftake rood alongside it. I seed it her hand gently, and sy answered with it the smallest pressure in return. No promises weer spoken. No declarations weer made. Uit in dat simple etchange, I felt more certain than I had ever felt in my life. The trette sy had wijsbered still lingered between is, no longer jafai bid alive. And as we sat toegeter in te kei het garden, I realiseert dat so met die misloofe duisend arife witte tender or vere. So met die mis, it begins in silence, with a noting more than 2 hands finding each other and deciding not to let go.